World's most insane underwater megaprojects. The world is a big place, and there are some truly incredible engineering feats taking place all over it. In this video, we're going to take a look at some of the most ambitious underwater megaprojects currently underway. From the Fehmarnbelt Tunnel linking Denmark and Germany to an artificial floating island off the coast of Tokyo, these projects are sure to amaze. So sit back, relax, and get ready to be blown away by some of the world's most insane underwater megaprojects. The Fehmarnbelt Tunnel, which will connect Denmark and Germany, is now one of Europe's greatest building projects. Its development will drastically shorten travel times between the two Baltic-facing nations, and it is scheduled to open in 2029. The notion of connecting the two nations, either by bridge or tunnel, has long been discussed. But after a decade of preparation, it was reported in 2020 that construction of an immersed tunnel would begin in 2021. It is somewhat shorter than the 50-kilometer channel tunnel at 18 kilometers, but it is being constructed utilizing a different construction technique. Boring machines were used in the construction of the Channel Tunnel, which connects France and England and costs around 15 billion euros. The Denmark-Germany tunnel, on the other hand, will be constructed on land in modules and floated out to sea, where the sections will be lowered into position. The project will last 8 years and will link two islands in the Fehmarnbelt, a strait that connects the Danish island of Lolland with Germany island of Fehmarn. Once completed, it will provide an alternative to the present ferry service, cutting travel times between the two islands from 35 minutes to 10 minutes by vehicle or 7 minutes by rail. With the new connection in place, the train travel from Hamburg in northern Germany to Copenhagen, Denmark's capital, would take 3 hours, down from 4 to 5 hours now. The cable-styled bridge will consist of a main bridge, 2 approach bridges, and 2 approach ramps. The main bridge is 3,208 meters long, with 3 724 meters main spans and 2 518-meter wide side spans. The southern approach bridge will be 6,000 meters long, while the northern half will be 9,360 meters long. The pylons that will support the main bridge will be 280 meters tall and made of concrete. The bridge will be about 65 meters above sea level. The bridge, like the Øresund bridge, would feature 4 lanes on the top deck and 2 electrified rail lines on the bottom deck. The main bridge's navigation span is yet to be evaluated for navigational safety, which may have an impact on the bridge's design. Given the scale of the cable bridge, this project is looking for prominent players in the floating cranes business who can transfer such massive bridge spans. 2 approach ramps and ventilation islands are envisaged for the immersed tunnel. 2 of the 4 tubes would house highway lanes, while the other 2 would house 1 rail track each. The rectangular cross-section would be 41 meters wide and 10 meters tall. A 1.5 meter wide service gallery is envisioned between railway and road tunnels. When it is finished, it will be the combined road and rail tunnel that is the longest in the world, because it will include 2 roads with double lanes and 2 electrified rail lines. Passengers will have the option of either driving or using the train to get to their destination. The Øresund Bridge, which spans 8 kilometers and connects Denmark with the neighboring country of Sweden, has the title of being Europe's longest combined road and rail bridge. Tolls will be required to cross the Fehmarnbelt after it is finished being constructed, just as drivers must pay to cross the Øresund Bridge. Additionally, it will offer a route that is more expedient for the transportation of freight between continental Europe and Scandinavia. It will have a maximum speed of 110 km per hour for automobiles and 200 km per hour for trains, and the amount of steel that will be used in its construction will be sufficient to create 50 Eiffel Towers. The lifespan is anticipated to be 100 years. It is predicted that the permanent link would be able to handle 7,700 autos and 3,800 people traveling by rail each day, in comparison to the 6,200 vehicles that were transported by ferries each day in 2007. This brings us to the end of the video. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share, and click on the notification bell to get notified every time we upload a new video.